Welcome back, my YouTube family. I'm doing something a little different today. I still trying to get ready for my RV trip, and I have to put together, and I'll share on the screen, my rack to hold my scooter. My scooter's coming in. I'm taking the scooter with me, so I figure I'll videotape me putting it together. I'm gonna try to do it myself. So here is the instructions. So I thought maybe it'd be interesting so y'all could watch me either try to put it together or put it together. So I'm going to be panning downwards. I'm in my basement. So I'll be panning down and I'll let y'all watch me put it together. So see you in the next clip. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to be that hard to put it together. It has a total, these are the pieces. It has only, let's take a look. See, it only really shows 5 or 6 steps. So I'm thinking I should be able to do this, right? We're going to see. So fam, this is where I discover I didn't have the right wrench or wrenches to put things together. So I had to stop and go to Walmart. And I was not standing in line to go to Walmart, so I ended up going to Pep Boys. And then you'll see where I start to use the new wrenches that I brought. Even at this point, I still didn't have all the correct tools, but I made it work. And I'm definitely going to need my brother to help me tighten everything up at the end. What I'm about to put on is the actual ramp for the rack that you use to load the scooter onto the rack. I'm also going to use this ramp to hold my bicycle. So I'll have my bicycle and my scooter chained and locked together. So that ramp will be doing double duty. So just wanted to let you know that. So fam, I'm putting on the last two pieces, which is the hook that you use to strap your bike down. And I have two ways I can use this. I haven't decided yet. Put my tools back, and I'll definitely get my brother to do the last minute tightening before I actually use it. But that is it. I am ready for my scooter. Fam, see you when I get my scooter. Enjoy. Bye-bye.